Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Google Lens on iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to use Google Lens on your iPhone. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the Google app in your iPhone, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on this camera icon. You can easily see here guys, here is the search icon. You can see microphone, or you can also see here guys camera icon. Tap on that. Now you can easily see here guys, Google Lens uses what your camera access to find results only while the app is open. So guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on continue, then tap on settings. Now from here guys, turn on camera, then go back from here, again go back. So you can see here's the camera, just simply have to tap on that. So let me open it again. So just simply have to scan anything. So let me scan one thing from here guys. Now you can search for this by tapping on that. You can easily see here guys, these are the stuffs. So you can use the camera to search any stuff on Google. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.